What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a 2020 Hyundai Tucson unlocked and opened if the battery in the Tucson dies or if the battery in the key fob dies. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. So the vehicle's locked, and as you can see, none of the buttons on the key fob are working. So in either of those scenarios, a dead key fob battery or a dead vehicle battery, the first thing we'll need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'll use the emergency key to unlock the driver's door. And after you unlock the door, it's a good idea to go ahead and throw the emergency key back in the fob just so we don't lose it. And now we can open the door. If the battery in the vehicle's dead, you can pop the hood down here in order to charge or change the battery. If the battery in your key fob is dead and you want to know how to start the vehicle with a dead key fob, we'll take a look at that in the next shot.
So what I need to do is I'm going to take my key fob and I'm going to start it as normal, but I'm going to use the top of the key fob to push the stop start button. So press the brake in and then come over here. And now you're ready to drive as normal. And you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.